Okay, guys, it's Erin, Muldoon, Stetson here, and I am in Chicago. I live on the south side of Chicago, and there's a lot going on here, and I am feeling my own energy, feeling frazzled and frustrated and concerned, and I noticed that, tensions are so high right now that I'm even getting into arguments with my husband, my mom, raising my voice. It's super intense. And I think, holy shit, if I'm feeling this way and I have a lot of resources, I've dedicated my life to helping others, being able to handle all these things that happen in the world. And if I'm feeling this way, how's everybody else feeling? There was some looting last night, vandalism, all this stuff with COVID-19 still going on, the surrealness of everyone wearing masks, not being able to connect, not being able to hug, not being able to process all this stuff going on. There's so much in the news. There's so much even undercurrent under the news that's been going on that's just been weighing so heavily on me. Hang on, do I have guest requests? Okay. Oh no, that's not what I wanted to do. Okay, sorry about that, guys. There's so much even undercurrent of what's going on just between us. When we're communicating between us, not even the stuff that's showing out there. We don't know what to believe. We don't know what to honor and trust, who to focus on. So much of us have been feeling polarized, thinking that we're against each other somehow, one side or the other side. I feel like it's a huge, colossal mistake to think that we're against each other. We are, I can't speak for everyone. Let me take that back a bit. If we could honor the hearts of each and every one of us to truly connect and believe that we have our best interests at heart, that we're looking to support each other, help each other, get through all of this without being weighed so heavily down, without fighting against each other, but truly, deeply loving and accepting each other and doing the best we can to heal ourselves, to heal our own wounds, so that we can meet our world, each other, with more love, with more peace, so that we can spread more of that. We have to take responsibility for our own emotions. We have to take responsibility for our own actions. And one of the best ways that I know that we can do that is through doing these treatments to have peace in our hearts, to have more peace in our minds, to give more love, to have more love for ourselves and give it to each other. So I'm going to use my own shit that I am feeling this heavy, heavy burden on. I'm going to use my own issues, right? And treat myself in front of you. Join me, please. If you're feeling any of this burden, if you're feeling any of this anxiety, this stress, just do this along with me so that we can have some peace in our minds, act with love, do all of our actions, everything that we do, every single thing that we do it with love for ourselves, love for others, higher power, whatever you want to call it. So I'm just going to do this treatment now, like I said, for myself, for what I'm feeling. And you please do it along with me for yourself, whatever you're feeling. If you have specific things you want me to address in this treatment or in others, just put a little note on the bottom and I'll help you as best I can. as we go along, okay? So just please join me right now. You don't have to know what it is, how it is, anything. Just join me. If you are worried about anything on your hands, whatever, just use a little sanitizer or something like that, just in case. You never know, okay? And just tap along with me and take a nice deep breath in and hold it. And let it out. And take another deep breath in and hold it. And let it out. Even though I'm feeling frazzled and overwhelmed right now. Repeat after me if you're in a position where you can do that, okay? Just repeat after me. Even though I'm feeling frazzled and overwhelmed right now about all the things that are happening in the world. For me, especially in the city of Chicago. And it feels like there's nothing I can do about it. I feel powerless and uncomfortable. I choose to relax and breathe and love and accept myself just as I am. Even though I feel frazzled and overwhelmed about everything that's happening in the world. Everything that's happening in the news. Everything that I'm hearing from friends that doesn't even make the news. I choose to center myself and balance myself and love and accept myself just as I am. I'm feeling frazzled. I'm feeling overwhelmed. I'm feeling powerless. I don't know what to do. It seems like it's out of my control. Everything is out of control and uncomfortable. And I don't know what to do. I feel totally overwhelmed. There's so much bad. There's so much horrible, terrible things going on in the world right now. It's showing up in the news. I'm hearing it from friends. I see it with my own two eyes, and I can feel it with every fiber of my being. And despite all of this, I choose to relax and breathe and love and accept myself just as I am. I choose to center myself and balance myself. I choose wisdom. I choose peace. I choose clarity. I choose focus. I choose to calm down and see things clearly so that I can act in all things with love, with peace, with clarity, with balance. It's my responsibility to take care of my own energy, to respond to all things in life with love. Love for myself, love for others, love for higher power, or whatever you want to call it. I choose peace, and so it is. Now take a deep breath in and hold it, and let it out. Okay, I'm feeling much more balanced, much more centered. I hope that you are too. Whether you're watching live or watching this on a replay, I'd love to hear what you're thinking about, what you're concerned about. whether this treatment helped you, whether you need other things or can use other things that, or topics that you want me to be specific about in treating. Or if you want to do a one-on-one session with me, I'm happy to. I'm doing Zoom sessions for anyone who needs them. They're typically 1 hour long. You can make an appointment on my website. It's taponit.com, taponit.com. Or just send me a private message and we'll set something up. My heart goes out to you. I know that since I was feeling so intense about this, I figured it's possible some others might be feeling that way too. And sometimes we need to resource ourselves, calm ourselves, balance ourselves so that we can acknowledge that that we're not powerless, that we have the ability to handle these situations with peace, with love, with grace, with wisdom. And that's what I wish for all of you. It's what I wish for myself. And I know that we can do this if we work together and we all take responsibility for our own feelings, our own emotions, our own actions, our own energy. I know we can shift this. I know we can do it. And I believe in all of our power and ability to do it. And I'm happy to support you in any way I can. Peace, love, happiness, balance. Have a wonderful day. Let me know if there's anything I can do to help. Bye, guys.